Hi, so we are going to check today, day 24. We are going to check what happened to our data, how the data performed. Okay, so as you see, okay, so we always see idea, but there was no idea today. So there is a Punjab National Bank, okay, with 110 PE is there in our data. Okay, so basically Punjab National Bank 105 PE also is there. So basically when it come to Punjab National Bank, 110 will be the first target till 105 it will look bearish. Okay, so that is what it look like. And PNB give movement, nice movement. So let's change it to 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see it is falling down till 110, it will look bearish. Until 105 there will be a target pending, so you can check it out for the Punjab National Bank. Just now data got added, that is the reason I started the video. And Canara Bank also 105 PE is there. Okay, so from yesterday itself we are seeing Canara Bank was okay PE 100 PE was there. So let's check it out what happened over here. Okay, so you can see right over here, so it was open around 112 and it is trading. Okay, it is falling. So till 105 Canara Bank look like bearish. Okay, 105 there is a target is there for Canara Bank as per our data. Let's check. Okay, so let's check any other moment. So you can see 500 PE in ITC. Yesterday we are seeing CE with the 500 target and 510 CE also is there, 510 target. So today it got changed to PE, that means to say trend reversal. Always you need to remember, once the target hit, then only okay the trend can reverse. Okay, then only the trend can reverse. You can see right over here. So after it hit, okay, 510 hit, the data got changed to PE. So 500 was the first target. Okay, so 500 got hit, actually 500 got hit. So it is trading around 490. Okay, so let's check any other data was there in ITC. Okay, so most probably only one data was there. So you can see right over here downside 490 PE also is there. That is the reason it is trading around 490. So basically first target and second target, both the target got hit. Okay, in ITC. And NTPC with 390 CE is there and 400 CE is there. So basically when it comes to NTPC, 390 was the first target and 400 was the second target. Let's check what happened over there. So you see right over here, okay, 382 it got open even though market is falling. Okay, but our target got hit. 390 was the first target got hit. Okay, 400 till 400 there was a target pending. Till 400 it will look bullish. So that is the reason, once okay the target hit, they finish the profit booking, they are moving towards the second target. You can see right over here. So let's check any other data. If we had idea, we are not going to check. IEX with 200 C is there. So basically when it come to IEX, and 180 C also is there. So 180 190 C also is there. Downside from down to 3 you can see. Okay, 190 C. So 180 190 200, it is look going to look bullish. So you check over here, 169 it got open, still it look like bullish. So 180 is a first target. So maybe you can trial your SL till 180. So maybe after 180 190 200 it is going to look bullish. Okay, so you can see right over here it is moving towards the target. Mostly five points will be the good thing when it come to stock, even though okay there is a target pending. Bandhan Bank with 190 P is there, 180 P is there. Okay, so basically when it come to Bandhan Bank, 190 was the first target and 180 was the second target. Let's check what happened over here. Okay, so you check over here, 195 it got open, it went high of 198. And as soon as okay, so with before, as I told, almost the target hit, 190 hit. After that they went to the profit booking again till 180. It is going to look bearish and it is moving towards to the target, and it is okay after profit booking finished, they are cutting the low. Okay, so maybe people think that the market is reversal from here and they take CE or they will go bullish, but actually our target is there. So once the target finish, then only the trend reversal can happen. So that is what you need to check it for today's market. Okay, so IDFC also we are not going to check it. And Motherson with 185 PE is there. Okay, so Motherson with 185 PE. So basically in Motherson, when it comes to Motherson, 185 will be the target. Okay, so 192 it got open, it came till 188 and it is falling still. You can see right over here it is falling still. It cut the today day's low. until 185 it is going to look bearish. So that is how it works. Then to, so you might have take a trade, okay, you might have catch almost 5 to 6 points. That was a good profit when you have a stop loss of 1 rupee. And if you don't know why we are keeping 1 rupee as a stop loss, please check my previous video. I have clearly explained, and I have made an update how you need to trail your stop loss. That for that also we had a video, okay, so you can check right over there, so that you will get clarified. If you have any doubt, please give me a contact through WhatsApp or comment, so that I can give you the clarification. And the SBI with 840 PE is there. So basically when it come to SBI, okay, 840 is the target, okay, 840 is the target. You can see right over here 864 it got open around, okay, and it is moving towards to the target, it is moving towards the target. So till 840 it is going to be bearish. So this is also going to break a low. So see, as you guys see always, okay, so you have a concept of low breaking, how when the low can break, that is also you can find out basically. IEX we already saw, okay, so Bank of Baroda with, okay, 250 PE, 260 PE is there. So basically Bank of Baroda 260 was the first target, 250 was the second target. Let's check what happened over here. Okay, so it got opened below the first target. So however 250 was the second target was there. So maybe you are trading, in between this. So the target got hit and it is trading below, okay, and there won't be any profit booking, and it came down, okay. After that they made a profit booking till 250. So however, if they are buying 250 PE, they are keeping, it means again it will going to come down. So that is how sell work. Yesterday also I explained it. So please make sure you trade in a perfect way, and you follow all the methods, so that you can make a money in the market, okay, in the market. So if we have any other data get added, so we will update it, okay. So this is what for today. Almost daily basis 4 5 stocks we are taking it, and we are with the exact accurate target. Most probably if they had a first target, second target, at least first target got hit, that is a very good news for you guys, okay. So you can make money using with this. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comments. And if you have a doubts, if you want to land this strategy, okay, please give me a contact through WhatsApp, so that I will teach you in a live market with live analysis with all the updates. Thank you so much, have a great day.